Go to the next one. Let's go to the question 41. So here we are dealing with pinking shears. So we're talking about. Oh, by the way, if you want to know what pinking shears are, they are sawtooth blades, not straight blades. So this is something that would be under the pinking shear example. And also, if you folks, some of you did bring it up, but I just want to reiterate, please obtain a dictionary. I recommend the Merriam-Webster dictionary, but if you have a dictionary where you can look up the words, because sometimes you just don't know what some stuff mean, right? Because examiners will take you, exam itself will take you all across the spectrum. So if you're gonna have to be a food guru, you're gonna have to be a metal guru, you're gonna have to be a toy guru, and pretty much everything guru, right? Uh, so uh, so sometimes it can be challenging. So please make sure to come to the exam with the dictionary. It can prove to be a lifesaver.